So, you want to be a marine engineer, you are already a marine engineer struggling to read an electrical circuit diagram. Advanced electrical package made by Chief Engineer Arvind sir is being launched soon. Sir, I am on board ship. Even I am in college right now, sir. I do not know how to read a maneuvering diagram. Sir, बहुत complicated है, sir. Well, Chief Engineer Shashank Bani sir has made this package for you. Sir, automation is very important, whether you're electrical officer, whether you're a marine engineer. Sir, 4 to 20 milliamps क्या होता है? What is pressure transmitter? Why temperature transmitters are required? What kind of automation is working on board ship, sir? About main air compressor, receiving plant, and all those machineries. So where to go? Well, automation package after so many years is being developed by Praneeth Mehta. That's me in front of you. And last but not the least, hydraulics package. Sir, circuit diagram पढ़ना नहीं आता, sir. Hydraulics, I do not know how to read. Sir, how does this valve open hydraulically? How does the feedback come to CCR? So many doubts, right? So the good news is, after a long wait, after thousands of people, marine engineers trusting us, these specific packages are for people जो कि GME colleges में कर रहे हैं. Does not matter, because even a class 12 student will understand all these packages. I promise you that. If you are a BTech marine engineering students, they are made for you. If you have already got placed, you have done your first ship, junior engineer, great. Going for 4th engineer exams, great. 4th engineer, 3rd engineers, sir, please go for these 4 packages. Even 2nd engineers, if you don't know how to read circuit diagrams, और जहाँ जाके लगता है यार 32 साल के ऊपर I'm dependent, oh God, how will I go through this? How, people will come to know, I do not know that. Well, these 4 packages, maybe together content of around say 40 hours, will change your life on ship. I promise you that. So what are the courses? Hydraulics package, electrical package to read electric circuit diagrams, automation package to understand how does automation work on board ship, and last is maneuvering diagram, that is for MN BMW engines. So all these combined together, अगर आप ये courses go do this courses on any of these training centers, it might cost you around 50,000, 60,000, maybe even 1 lakh rupees, which generally the company pays. But out here, this validity is for just 1 week in 5999, that is 6,000 rupees only, less than that, 1 rupee less than that. You will get access to these courses for lifetime. Ship पे हो, net है, you can see, where did I go wrong? आज से 2 साल बाद you want to see, I have forgot here how to read this, what is the, how to see this value, how to see this number, how does this happen? Go through this package. So ये packages आप ही लोगों के लिए बने हैं. Remember, there is only one aim, and that is to earn respect on ship. But it starts with investing on yourself. When I say that, I mean it. Because ऐसा नहीं है, when I was on ship, I had a hard drive of 2 TB filled with lot of material, but I never bothered to watch because किसी ने कुछ दे दिया, रख लिया. Invest on yourself. अपने hard earned money से. When you do that, you value it. You value it, you see it. You see it, you learn it. You learn it, you absorb it. You absorb it, you share it. And that is how you become a maritime leader. That is how you earn respect on ship. And very, very important, guys. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata.